Here we go, kid. This is cabin 14 at the Moab Valley RV Resort. Let's take a look. In here we have one queen bed or a double bed. I'm not really sure. Can never remember what those two are, how big. But then we have a bunk bed, two twins. We do have an air conditioner. It seems to be putting out some cold air. That's good. It's 106 degrees here, so we could definitely use that. We do have a freezer, which is pretty good size, as well as a refrigerator, which is fine size for us. We have like 6 hangers. We have a TV that the remote does not actually want to turn anything on, so I guess there's no TV, but we do have a broom and a dustpan, so that's cool. Then over here we do have no shortage of outlets. We have 2 here, 2 there, 1 there with 2 USBs, and then finally 2 there. And then if you step outside, you have a porch as well as a charcoal grill and table. So there you have it, kid. Cabin 14 at the Moab Valley RV Resort. Until next time.